All right, now let's look at what's got to be one of my favorite features in Canva is how to animate an image and actually how you can actually create your own animation so easily. And this just tends to make these interactive stories so much more fun. So right now I'm going to make these guys a little bit smaller by clicking on their image and just clicking on a corner and dragging them in. And so what I want to see happen is I want the I think I want to have first I want to have my cat jump off of this diving board here. So I'm going to put my cat on the diving board, make her even a little bit smaller. And now while I've got her highlighted, I'm going to click on animate and then create animation. And then this is where the magic really happens. So it tells you here you get to just select and drag your element around the canvas to create your animation. So what that means is I can literally just click on my cat. I'm holding down my left mouse button here, and then I'm having the cat jump, jump, jump on the board, and then go a really big jump and splash into the water. So then you even get that little playback there to see what you just did. Okay. So there's the cat, and then how about this? How about we'll have the cat jumping in and the minion going down the slide. Okay, the minion's a little bit big there, so I'm going to make it smaller. And then if I'm sliding, probably not on my feet, I want it to be sideways. So while I have my minion clicked, I have this little arrow here, so I can turn the arrow. And so again, let's click at my menu and see that little arrow again. Oh, where did my arrow go? It's kind of hidden up there. There it is. So that's my little arrow where you can kind of rotate your picture around. So I'm going to leave it like that and put my minion at the top of the slide. And now the minion is going to also go down the slide during this. So I click on my image, click animate, create an animation, and then I'm going to just hold down on my minion with my mouse button while I drag it down the screen. It's going to go down and up and splash. So now, in the same slide, we just made a little video clip of the cat jumping off the diving board and the minion going down the slide. I'm going to present just so we can see that really on the big screen in live action. Awesome.